Detective Miles Corbin, a man whose trench coat seemed to carry the scent of every solved and unsolved case in the city, stared at the impeccably organized chaos of Professor Alastair Finch's study. Finch, a celebrated historian of arcane languages, was gone. Not merely absent, but vanished, leaving behind a perfectly brewed, still warm cup of Earl Grey and a half-eaten scone. No forced entry, no struggle, uniformed Officer Miller reported, consulting his notepad. Everything appears to be in its place, save for the professor himself. And a manuscript. Corbin grunted, running a gloved finger along the spine of a first edition. What manuscript? Professor Finch was working on translating the Chronicles of Eldoria, a legendary text thought to be pure myth. He claimed to be close to a breakthrough, something about an ancient civilization and a hidden source of energy. Miller looked skeptical. What do you think happened next? Write your opinion in the comments and subscribe for more interesting stories.